Welcome back, friends. Holy crap, the UI overhaul was a struggle. Not really in the design of the UI, but really in the tedium of overhauling UI. Last time I said I didn't know anything about UI, and well, now I know a little bit more. I took some time to sprite up some new UI features, like this box that will hold runes when you get to pick new ones. It's pretty simple in its design, following a relatively straightforward aesthetic of high fantasy. I changed the way the rune sprites are being determined. They are now just chosen from a list of sprites when the runes are being built, but it's better than the default button sprites. Then I had to fix the upgrade and refill panels for the progression system. The old system was based around the idea of a board game where all the tiles would be visible at once. But we have the technology to build a tabs panel that will allow for more depth in the progression system and allows for better visibility of what the heck you're looking at on a phone screen. The post screens have also been changed, following the same aesthetic. The monsters tab now gets a little animation when the monsters pop in. Then each of the post screens for the daytime events were redone, adding animations to the panels and some UX for the button pressing. Finally, I added a system for character selection. Each of the cult leaders you can choose from will have different starting stats as well as different runes they can upgrade over their run. For now, only one cult leader actually exists, but the system is in place for more to be added pretty easily from this point on. Overall, nothing in this game really feels like it stepped past high fantasy at any point, which I guess makes sense for this being my first time making a game like this. This whole project, I guess I would say, is rather safe, nothing too crazy in any direction. That probably means this project as a whole will be pretty bland at its end state, but an important thing that I have to keep reminding myself every day is that this is required for doing bigger and better projects down the line. You have to cut your teeth somewhere, and this is where I'm cutting mine. Life is going to be changing pretty soon for me, so I was originally planning on releasing this game sometime in April, but since things are going to get pretty different from now on, I'm hoping to push the release up and shorten the development time a bit, since I have other stuff I need to be worried about right now. Either way, see you in the next one. Goodbye, friends.